What artificial intelligence did Samsung announce will be coming to the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, Siri? Is it B, Cortana? Is it C, Google Assistant? Or is it D, Bixby? All right, here we go, because this is on the line. All right, the correct answer is...
Welcome back, squad. We out here hitting the streets, walking and meeting, talking strangers. We out here check receipts, we grinding. See, dreams don't build a life when you stuck in sheets. I'm underneath, we climbing. The flow is fire, it's so elite. Check me out, see, I'm ready.
All right, y'all, so real quick, just want to hop in on this video and just give you guys a chance to win some too. So right now, I am hosting a raffle where I'm giving away 3 Samsung Galaxy Watch 4s to 3 lucky people out there. All you have to do is head over to CKidRaffles.com, get your tickets. It's super cheap and you can buy as many as you want. Now, the raffle's gonna end on May 3rd, and I am announcing the winners on May 4th, which is my birthday, so let's turn up for that. Now, I am going to be hosting a live stream on YouTube as well as IG where I'm going to be picking the winners live for you guys, and I'm also going to be calling you guys as well because, you know, I want to interact with y'all, I want to talk with y'all. So get your tickets at CKidRaffles.com. Definitely get it, and let's get back to the video. Excuse me, are you guys team Apple or you team Android? You Apple? Okay. Are you got Android? I'm giving away a free Galaxy Watch 4. Excuse me, you guys team Apple or you team Android?
We are team, I don't have anything Apple.
Okay, all right. Y'all team Apple or you team Android? I see she got an apple in her hand. I see her over here.
I'm like, yeah, we see.
How you guys doing? You guys a team Apple or team Android?
Team Apple, I think.
Team Apple?
For me anyway.
Okay.
You looking for Android?
I'm looking for Android people. I'm looking for some Android people.
Me looking for them funny players.
Excuse me, quick question. Are you guys team Apple or team Android? You team Android? Hey, we got one. All right, so I'm giving away a free Galaxy Watch 4. All you gotta do is answer 3 questions right, and the watch is yours. You wanna play? All right, cool, let's get it. Where you guys from? Texas, okay, all right. All right, so the first question is this. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the latest flagship smartwatch from Samsung. Looking at this display right here, is it an LCD display or is it an OLED display?
That's an OLED display.
You going OLED?
I trust him more than I trust myself.
Okay.
I trust him.
You going OLED? All right. The correct answer is OLED.
Okay.
My man, there we go. Where you guys from?
We're from Toronto.
Let me get on the right side.
Toronto,
Canada. Okay.
But we're also here because it's hot here and it's snowing where we live.
Smart. All right, so the first question that I have up here is the Galaxy Watch 4 comes in 4 different colors.
Yep.
It comes in green, black, pink gold, and what other color? Is it A, red? Is it B, purple? Is it C, blue? Or is it D, silver?
I don't know, you guys, you're the
Oh man, you said red, blue?
A, red, B, purple, C, blue, or D, silver.
Oh, but you didn't tell us some other colors it came with, right?
The Galaxy Watch 4 comes in 4 different colors.
Yep.
It comes in green, black, pink gold, and what other color? Is it A, red, B, purple, C, blue, or is it D, silver?
I think blue or silver. I'm gonna say blue.
Happy marriage, happy husband. He gets the answer, so I'm
Blue?
gonna say blue. He said blue.
Final answer?
Samsung does a lot of blue. I don't know.
Final answer? Is that why you chose it?
Yeah.
Okay, the final answer is actually D, silver.
No!
It's actually silver. You was close
Between
though.
the two, I said between the two.
Yeah, you was close though.
I tried to go with you. Now
Right,
we're
I
gonna go
couldn't
with my
see them
answer
doing
now.
right.
I appreciate you guys playing though.
That was 3 questions.
We're giving away a Galaxy Watch 4. All you have to do is answer 3 questions right, and the watch is yours. You gotta get all 3 right in order to get it.
That's 2 out of 3.
Nope. Where you guys from, by the way?
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Milwaukee, okay, all right. All right, so the question is, on smartwatches nowadays, health is a big component of having one of these watches. On the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you guys have the ability to measure ECG in real time. What health component does ECG monitor on the human body? Is it A, blood pressure? Is it B, abnormal heart rate and rhythm? Is it C, glucose levels? Or is it D, stress?
Is it B?
Wait, say them again.
Is it A, blood pressure? Is it B, abnormal heart rate and rhythm? Is it C, glucose levels? Or is it D, stress?
I go with B.
You gonna go with B?
Yeah.
All right, final answer? All right, so the answer is B, abnormal heart rate. You got it right. Congratulations on that one. Where you from?
Texas.
Texas? Okay, the second person from Texas that we got on the channel. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which are 2 different style smartwatches that's offered by Samsung. The Galaxy Watch 4, which is this watch right here, as well as the one I'm wearing on my wrist, is priced at $250 US. Is the price of the Watch 4 Classic more or less than $250?
I would say Which one's the newest one?
Well, they both came out actually at the
Came out
same
at the same
time. So
time.
there's two different models. There's this model here, which is $250, and then there's a Watch 4 Classic that costs.
So if it's a classic, normally a classic's gonna cost more.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say more.
You gonna go more? I like his logic right there. All right, so the correct answer is more.
Okay.
Congratulations, got the first one right. Number 2, Samsung released 2 versions of the Galaxy Watch 4. There's a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and then there's the Galaxy Watch 4 that I have here in my hands. Now, the sizes include a 46mm, a 42mm, and a 40mm. What other size do they offer this watch in? Is it A, a 43mm? Is it B, a 44mm? C, a 38mm, or D, a 37mm? Want to go B? I mean, he was right last time.
Oh no.
He was right last time. You trust him?
I trust him.
All right, the correct answer is B, 44mm. He got it right. There we go. Next question is, so equipped with 5G capabilities, allowing you to use your watch freely without the need of having your smartphone around you to do things like walking out and about and listening to music and stuff like that. So which earbuds are made best by Samsung that can be paired with the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, AirPods Pro? Is it B, Pixel Buds? Is it C, Galaxy Buds 2? Or is it D, neither? Y'all want me to read it again?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Which earbuds are made by Samsung that are best paired with the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, AirPods Pro? Is it B, Pixel Buds? Is it C, Galaxy Buds 2? Or is it D, neither?
I'll go with C.
You gonna go with C?
Yeah.
Okay, final answer?
Yeah, that's the final answer.
Okay, all right, correct answer is C, Galaxy Buds 2. Hey, he killing it. Look at him. She like, oh, man, I'm just gonna roll with him. All right, so the second question I got for you is, which connectivity feature does the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 have? Is it A, Wi-Fi? Is it B, 5G? Is it C, both? Or is it D, neither?
See, it's hard to tell about like the Wi-Fi because you need to. Because I want to say both, and that seems like it would be the right answer.
Okay, so why are you thinking both?
5G is what everything's heading to.
Okay.
So that's gonna have 5G. But the Wi-Fi, usually you got to have some sort of internet connection. I feel like it's gonna be both though.
Okay.
I'm just going with both.
You gonna go with both?
Yeah.
All right, so the final answer is, it is C, both.
Okay.
It is C, both. I like how he break it down. All right, now this next one's not so hard. All right, so with the Galaxy Watch 4, Samsung decided to move on from Tizen's operating system to Wear OS, which is Google's operating system designed for smartwatches. What artificial intelligence did Samsung announce to be coming to the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, Siri? Is it B, Cortana? Is it C, Google Assistant? Or is it D, Bixby?
If it's a Samsung and Android, it shouldn't be Google Assistant.
You gonna go C?
I was going with that or D.
It's close. It's the
C
final
choice.
question. Get it right. This watch is yours. So I'll read it one more time. All right, here we go. Because this is on the line. What artificial intelligence did Samsung announce will be coming to the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, Siri? Is it B, Cortana? Is it C, Google Assistant? Or is it D, Bixby?
C.
You gonna go C? All right, the correct answer is Google Assistant. It is C. Congratulations. There you go. This watch is yours. Congratulations. I appreciate you guys playing.
Brand new. I used to have Samsung for years.
Oh,
dude.
word?
Yeah, and it broke, and then.
You switched on over.
Well,
I ain't
I
mad at
didn't
you
even want
though.
to switch on over. They didn't have no more at the little ass store I had. So
Gotcha.
iPhone it was.
Right.
But she got the Galaxy. She's talking about it. So
I always wanted it.
Jay, man, I appreciate you, bro. And do you already, if I use this footage for YouTube? Go
ahead,
All right. So it's the last question. Last question, and this watch is yours. All right. So true or false? On the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, does it include the exact same Gorilla Glass that we see on Samsung smartphones as the display for more durable glass to protect it from things like drops and scrapes and stuff like that? So, does the Galaxy Watch 4 include Gorilla Glass?
I'll go with yes.
You gonna go with true? All right, final answer? All right, correct answer is true. Congratulations, man. This watch is yours. There you go. There you go.
What's your on vacation for my birthday?
Oh, happy birthday, man. Hey, look at that. My guy got a watch on his birthday. That's what's up.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, bro. Yeah. All right, y'all have a good one. Nice meeting y'all. Can we use it for YouTube? Okay, all right, cool. So one last question, here we go. Equipped with 5G capabilities, allowing you to use your watch freely without the need of having your smartphone around so you can do things like walk in the park and listen to music at the same time. Which earbuds are made by Samsung that are best paired with the Galaxy Watch 4? Is it A, AirPods Pro? Is it B, Pixel Buds? Is it C, Galaxy Buds 2? Or is it D, neither? This is for the watch.
I would think it'd be the Galaxy, but yeah, Galaxy Buds, because it's a Galaxy Watch.
Okay, is that your final answer?
My final answer.
You gonna roll with that one?
I'll roll with that
For the
one.
watch?
Yep.
All right, final answer is C, Galaxy Buds 2. Congratulations,
Already.
sir. Congratulations, sir.
Hey, Miss November 2K5, you already know. Appreciate you,
Hey,
my man.
appreciate you, man.
What's your YouTube?
So my YouTube is CKid TV. How long are you guys staying?
This is gonna be our last day.
Last day, okay. Yeah, we got one more day here.
Already.
All right, cool.
Appreciate you,
Hey,
man.
appreciate you, man.
Yeah, for
Y'all
sure.
have a good one. All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video right here, man. Appreciate you guys watching. We gave away every single Galaxy Watch 4 that we had. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys want an opportunity to win a watch for yourself, all you have to do is head down to CKidRaffles.com. Enter for your chance to win one as well. I'm only allowing 500 people into this raffle, so definitely make sure you guys head over to CKidRaffles.com and get in on that. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad.
Now thanks for watching Squad Lit. I'm keeping composure. Just like, comment, subscribe. We grow and gain exposure. I mean, just catch me coming to your city. I'll see you next time on that CKid TV Squad.